Welcome back to Magnolia. During our last video, drywall and prime was just wrapping up and we were gearing up for our next steps. Let's see what we've got done. The interior trim stage consists of a few different areas to include the baseboards and casing around all of the doors and windows, as well as the cabinets being installed. As you can see behind me, the cabinets and countertops are installed, so let's go through the countertop process a little bit. Once cabinets are set, our countertop supplier will visit the job site to precisely measure for all solid surface tops using their high-tech equipment. They will then use those measurements to take back to their shop to cut, bevel, and polish each piece before coming back out and installing on site. During this stage, we'll also begin the process on any custom built-in cabinets, shelving, or benches. It allows us to maximize any unique space to create something for the customer. In this home, we chose a custom wood bench in the mudroom space with custom shiplap and cubbies up above. Another unique feature of the Magnolia is this recessed space in the foyer, which we've chosen to customize with shiplap, which will also be installed at this stage. During this phase of the schedule, we'll also work on any tiled areas to include tub wraps, showers, and fireplaces. In this home, we're featuring a zero-entry walk-in tiled shower in the primary suite. We've seen some really exciting updates on the home. As we near its completion, please stay tuned for our final phases as we prepare the home to go on the market.